Want to keep your Instagram account more private and stop it from being recommended to others? In this video, I'll show you how to turn off Instagram's account suggestions in just a few steps. Instagram doesn't provide this option in the app, so you'll need to use a web browser like Chrome or Safari on your phone or computer. Open the browser and go to Instagram.com, then log in with your account details. Once you're logged in, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner to open your profile page. Next, select Edit Profile from the menu. Scroll down and at the bottom of the page, you'll see the option Show Account Suggestions on Profile. This setting allows Instagram to suggest your account to other users. To disable this, simply uncheck the box next to it, then scroll down and tap Submit to save your changes. Once you do this, your account will no longer appear in Instagram's recommendations, giving you more privacy. Now Instagram won't suggest your account to others. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.